Hey guys, so here's an update on the ceiling fan display at my local Canadian Tire. That one is Noma. Can't tell what the model is. This model is Noma Cassian. And that one is a Noma Orson ceiling fan. And this one is a Noma again. A Noma. I don't know I can't tell what it is. A Noma right there. Noma. A 4 living ceiling. Right there, that's a ceiling fan. I'm not sure what it is. And this one is a ceiling fan. I'm making a video of the fan display. This video's not done yet. There's a ceiling fan. Here's another fan right there. Here's a 9-bladed fan. Right there, there's another fan right there. And that fan right there. And looks like a Hampton Bay industrial ceiling fan. And there's another fan right there. And there's a gold line right there. I'll take some of the videos. That fan doesn't work. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.